in my channel, I got this game called Fall to Dust. I don't know what's gonna be happening. So let's go, guys. Okay. What should we do? Yeah, it's completely dust. I'm never making that. Guys, if I made it, like, you must like the video. Whee! Oh my god, I died. This is not falling. This is just staying where you stay. Never mind. Let's just doing anything. Wee. Oh, I survived. Yes, I survived. What's happening? It's glitch. Why is it glitch? No, guys. Guys, have you played this game? It's glitch. I know a way to get this many coins. Just doing this. Look, you are not. Yeah, you are not doing anything. See, guys, I told you so. You must do. Oh my god. Maybe that many times. Oh my god, guys, what was that? Let's try that again. This time. Yup, guys, I told you so. This is what you do. Okay. This is cool. I always get 1,000. I mean, 3,000, 4,000. What? Have you played this game before, guys? Or no? Just answer in the comments. Oh my god, I died. Always. Ah. Okay, where should we buy stuff? Safe boost. Never mind, I want that. I want these ones. I already owned it. Fine. No here. 50% speed. The speed. I want the biggest. No, I already owned it. Done. Never mind. Just gonna jump to one. Oh my god, someone who pushed me. Never mind. I'm falling. No. Someone's probably pushing me. Oh, because I auto. Because I auto fall. Oh my god, no sleep. Okay. Let's go, guys. I'm done with that. Only babies. There's onion. God. Why is there so many of these? Man. Oh, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! So!
Update ako. Ito ba inyong kuha na dyan nga? Ano na matagay mo sayaw? Sa English lagi. Kay, huwag mo absent me sa English, kay. Tagaan, activity, balot mo siya, uy, sa buwan ni klase.